Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to fix Meal to Go app not working. So let's get started. So here we can see the Meal to Go app. Okay, so if it's not working for you, you have to follow these instructions. So the first is to open the Google Play Store and check for the update. And if you are a Apple user, then you have to open your Apple Store. So at here I will just go and I will likely search for here Meal to Go. Okay, app. Okay, Meal to Go app. So here I can see the app. So I have to click on here, and from here I have to check for the update. If it shows the update, then you can update it from here. So this is how to update it. So if you find this, like here this is how to update this, and then you can open the app again and it will work. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.